then the higher contribution from non-operating income is something. It will be interesting. Naveen Kulkarni is also here. Naveen, how would your mind, how would the street read this higher component of non-operating income as well, or do you think it will be taken as a good number nevertheless?
Yeah, so typically, if you see auto company numbers, the volume numbers are known. So mostly the focus is on the margin, right? So below EBITDA, I think I won't be too focused upon. So from let's say the margin profile at let's say 2,800 crore EBITDA number is definitely higher than what we were anticipating by almost around 4%. So that's a very good number. So that's the key focus area because margins have been elusive for Maruti for a while now. And this margin beat after a very long period is very, very encouraging. Mind you, Q3 is not the strongest quarter considering that there are annual shutdowns and December, of course, the volumes tend to be little sluggish. So in not the strongest quarter, reasonably decent margins as well as EBITDA beat is quite encouraging.
Right. All right, Naveen, Mithul, thank you very much for giving us that instant take on the number which have come in. We also have Srishti. Srishti, Naveen was saying margin performance was impressive. Mithul was saying watch out for higher component of non-operating income. What are you reading into the details?
Well, yes, a good set of numbers coming in from Maruti Suzuki, I would say, because clear outperformance was seen on the revenue as well as bottom line figure. And this time around, we were expecting margins of 9.75%. And the company has clearly delivered on that front because if you will see, after 2 years, the margins have come in at those levels. So, a good set of numbers, I would say, because versus our expectation on the revenue front, we were expecting 27,162 crores onto the revenue number. The company has clocked in a revenue of around 29,044 crores. Along with that, onto the profit figure, 2,351 crores is what the company has reported versus our expectation of 1,873 crores. So, a good set of performance coming in from Maruti Suzuki, especially on the operational front. If you will look, the volumes were actually down 10% sequentially. So, we were anticipating an impact on the back of negative operating leverage, but the company has clearly delivered a good set of numbers this time around. So, a decent performance coming in from Maruti Suzuki, and clearly the impact we are seeing onto the numbers of on the stock reaction as well, as the stock is actually holding a gains of around 1.5%. If you will see the positive factors that have been highlighted by the company, so they say that the cost reduction products, improved realization, favorable foreign exchange variation, and higher non-operating income are some of the factors that have aided the numbers of the company. But on the flip side, higher sales promotion expenses that has made a bit of a dent for Maruti Suzuki numbers.
Thanks for that, Srishti. Let's take the